Well, a big, beautiful, loving hello to you all. Thank you so much for joining me again. I am sharing my heart, my soul, my spirit with you. I have some amazing tools in some videos to come. So the movement is Rising Up in Love, and GOLOVE 20 is where it's at. I'd like to give some credit and a shout out to Dr. Joe Dispenza, who coined this term GOLOVE 20. And I believe that this now gives us all an amazing way to transform the planet nearly effortlessly. All it requires is 15 to 20 minutes, GOLOVE 20. So if you could put in 20 minutes a day, even for the next 3 days, you will start to see transformation in your life. As you open up your heart for 20 minutes over the next 3 days, what you will find is that your immune system strengthens. In fact, it's already been found that our immunity system increases over 50% by just simply doing this exercise. And if you're interested in some of the science behind this, there is an institute called the Heart Math Institute, and the Heart Math Institute. And they've just done some really, really amazing work that has discovered that the heart actually sends out more frequency than the mind does. So, the old paradigm was think yourself rich, right? Think yourself, as a man thinketh, so shall it be. What was missed, and what is even more powerful in that, is in your heart, so shall it be. So when your mind and your heart are connected, that frequency goes out into the planet and then transcends out to others, or I guess the right word would be like on a radio frequency, it gets picked up or received on the other side. So I'll get right to it on this video. It's an exercise. All you're gonna do is, whether it be in the morning or the evening, the afternoon, doesn't matter. Just take a few moments to connect in with someone or some people that you want to send love to. So imagine that person in your mind and see them in front of you, close to you, and just open your heart, and send out that love to them. What you can do is visualize them surrounded in pink light, and see coming from the cosmos, beautiful, divine, pink, loving light surrounding and filling them up with love. And so I am so excited, because this, I think, is the key and the answer to how we can all be a part of this transformation on the planet at this time. The reason why this is such a great exercise is because as you send that out, it has been found that that other person will pick it up. Just like if you've ever thought of somebody, you were about to call them and they were like, oh, I was just thinking about you. Well, it's that same concept. And what will happen to the other person is their heartbeat and their frequency will pick it up, and they will become more harmonized. And guess what? During this process, you're also harmonizing yourself. Now, as we go out and we send that kind of love out to all these people on the planet, you pick one, you pick 20, GOLOVE 20. Well, it's we're going to see a massive transformation. So one thing that I would challenge you to do is to also select someone that maybe you haven't been so harmonious with, or that you aren't feeling those thoughts for, and to visualize that person and understand that if you are experiencing friction with that person or not a pretty situation, well, in most cases, like if you can go back to that video where I was talking about the namaste, the divinity is within all of us. And somebody who's maybe lashing out or acting out, it's because they're really, really starved of that love. And so if you can find it in your heart to forgive, forget, let that go, and love them anyway, whether it be from afar or in person, you can also then start to transform some of the negativity that's on the planet right now. So I challenge, I invite, I would love to see us all be a part of this movement. Go Love 20. And guess what? I love you. Have an amazing day.